Alright, welcome to this video. Tonight I'll try to pick on video the Millenco Magnum Euro lock. This is another log that was sent to me by Gery. So this is a very strange lock. It has 5 dimple pin, and actually right under these dimples you got I think it's 4 sliders that will actually ride under in that groove of the key right there, as the dimples actually set in those cut in the key right there. So everything is on the right of that keyway. Managed to pick it a few minutes ago, but it wasn't easy. I mean, it took me quite a while. I'll see if I can reproduce now that I got a good feeling for it. Try to see if I can pick this thing in a reasonable amount of time. So that's the first false set that I get from the last pin, so probably a standard pin right at the 5 position. Right now I'm playing with the top pins. Try to see if I get any binders. I haven't been able to determine when to switch from the sliders to the top pin yet. Honestly, I just go from one to the other and give it a shot. Got a deeper false set right there. See, it's still moving around with the top pin, so I'm just gonna keep poking at them. Okay, they all seem solid, so I'm just gonna use this half diamond. So I'm gonna start inserting completely vertical and give it a little twist. Try to see if I can set some of these sliders. Okay, so I got a little bit more of a false set playing with the sliders. Guess I'm done. I'm going to see if the top ends have something else to give me. So everything on there seems pretty solid, so I'm kind of expecting, oh, there we go, I got counter rotation there. So there was caught on spools here. Counter rotation here as well. Not sure if I slip past the pin. Oh no, still I got it. Okay, now I think I guess managed to set it. Still giving me. Not sure if I actually set it or if my pick slips past the pin. Seems okay now, I think. So what else? So I got nothing on the top pins. Let's go see if one of the sliders needs to be set. Like I said, I don't know this lock, so I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be going back and forth between the sliders and the top stack. Oh, there we go. Nice. So, okay. Now the fun part, I have no clue how to gut that thing. We'll see how that goes. So it has a clip. I do have the key, so I am gonna lock it back up. I don't know what these sliders actually look like, so I have no clue what this is gonna look like. I guess I'm gonna shim it just in case. Okay. So I don't know if these sliders are gonna jump out in my face or something, so I'll just go really slow. So far so good. Alright. Wow, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins? Are you kidding me? Okay. Wow, what a nightmare. I'm just gonna put some lights on. So here's the sidebar. I guess I'm gonna dump these pins. Seven pins, seriously. I looked real quick with a flashlight in there. I thought there was only 5, but so there. I don't know why I love gutting locks that I have no clue what the heck they look inside. I just love that. Oh, yeah. Okay, so pin 1 is going to be on that side. Okay, let's see how these sliders come out. does not want to come out. Oh, these look nice. Okay, so I was not wrong about the sliders. So 4 sliders, 7 pins. Look at that core. I mean, that's nice. So it has a little counter milling in there so that the pin doesn't fall into the cylinder. So this is why these pins have some sort of a I don't even know what it's called. And these are the slider holes. You can see the springs are all at the bottom. Anti-drill protection right there. Otherwise, oh wow, yeah, 2 little springs for the sidebar. I'm kind of lucky I didn't lose them. They seem pretty stuck in there, so I'm just gonna leave them. Now, what's up there? I got something that just doesn't want to come out here. Don't know if it's a pin or just an anti-drill protection. Oh, wow, what the heck is that? Could be just anti-drill protection. It's a long yeah, I think it's just an anti-drill. Oh, nice. Look at these, yeah. Pot Kettle Racism told me the spools actually look like barrel spools from Twin, and that's exactly what they look like. I'll show you a close-up later. So standard, gonna go through the other way. So a little slightly serrated, very lightly serrated pin and a standard. So basically I had 1 spool and only 1 slightly serrated driver. Wow. I don't know if it's me, but the chambers actually look threaded. It's either rough manufacturing or threading. It's very light threading or rough manufacturing. I guess at this point it's the exact same. Oh, tiny springs. Very tiny springs. So 1, 2, 3. Man, I have to stop complaining about these magnetic tweezers. Do something about it. All right. So let's get a close-up of these things. Just shut my light off so you see better. Okay. So pin number 1 is here. So that little counterpart there's just to hang against the counter milling in the core, just to prevent the key pins from falling into the core. This is the pin number 1. That really looks like it's a double spool. It really looks like the barrel spools on the ASA twins. So standard, and there's a very light serration on number 5 right there. In terms of the sliders, they got no false gate. They got a pretty darn big gate, which is, and the sidebar is just a flat bar. So basically that sidebar comes and engage into these big gates in each of the sliders. So wow, a really interesting lock. Lots of stuff in there. It's a really fun pick, you have to admit. So there we go. Millenco Magnum picked and gutted. Thanks for watching.